In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in ActiveCampaign emails. This process is a straightforward way to share resources with your subscribers, and with a little guidance, you'll have it down pat in no time. So, let's dive right into it. When it comes to attaching files in ActiveCampaign, the first thing you should know is that it involves using an external site to host your files. For our purposes, let's consider a reliable service like Google Drive. Before you start with ActiveCampaign, make sure your file is uploaded to Google Drive. Once your file is uploaded, grab the download link. This link is crucial because it acts as the bridge between your file and your email subscribers. With the download link in hand, head over to ActiveCampaign and navigate to the email editor of the specific email campaign you're working on. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice a list of blocks. These blocks can be dragged and dropped to structure your email exactly how you want it. There are two main methods to attach your files, through a text block or an image block. First, let's look at the text block method. Start by adding a text block to your email, then highlight the specific section of text where you want to insert the link. You'll notice a toolbar appears at the top of the block. On that toolbar, there's a link icon. Click on it. This is where you paste the download link you copied earlier. Once you've done that, anyone who clicks on that piece of text in your email will be directed to your file. Now, let's explore the second method using an image block. Start by adding an image block to your email. Once you've added it, click on the image block to bring up its properties on the right panel. Now, upload the image you want to act as the download button. This image could be anything. A download icon, a logo, or any graphic you think fits your campaign style. With the image in place, enter the same file download link in the provided field on the right panel. Just like that, you've created a clickable image that links directly to your file. And that's all there is to it. Whether you choose the text block method or the image block method, you're now equipped with the knowledge to attach files to your ActiveCampaign emails. This can be a powerful tool to engage with your subscribers and share valuable content. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!